Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back. Anyway, I'm getting closer and closer to getting all the issues on this vehicle fixed after the flood. Now I'm going to focus my attention on these headlamps. See, headlamp assembly. Obviously water got inside here, and now as water tries to evaporate, it's not able to escape anywhere, so I need to take this out in order to get rid of that. Okay, so in order for us to do so, we need to, as much as possible, take the front grille as well as the front bumper out. Okay, it's fairly easy. One here, and one there, and I do believe there's also one screw somewhere here, but the problem is you need to take out this, okay, as well as this, in order for you to be able to take out the entire headlamp assembly. So I'll start by removing these tabs, but before that, just a matter of precaution, disconnect the battery. So let's remove these tabs, two here, one and two here. Okay, I'll show you. Insert it here, pull it up. That's one. Insert, pull it up. Insert, pull it up. We need to take care of that too, as well as that, see? Okay. We need to do that because, you see, the headlamp assembly is underneath this lip. So we also need to undo these screws here as well. Okay, and same on the other side. Try to slightly pry the front bumper out. The reason why is because you see that screw, we need to unscrew that. If you don't remove this, you won't be able to get access to that. So already took that one out. Now here, there, also 10 mm. They're all 10 mm actually, with the exception of this one, Phillips screw. Okay, so Phillips screw. Disconnect the light. Okay, just pull that out. Pry this upwards. Okay, see. Much better if we remove the bottom one as well, the front bumper here as well. There's two here. Okay, by the way, my mistake, there's one screw here and one screw underneath that as well. Okay, just remove that. Remove this one as well. Okay, remove the one on the other side too. There's one push tab here too. Okay, just took that out. So essentially, now that the front bumper is out, now we need to remove this. Pull this clip out. Pull the clip out. That allows you to pull this out. Unlatch that as well. Wiring harness, which leave us this. Very easy. I hope you can see that. Okay, now we need to remove this. Just twist. Okay, very easy. So there's our entire headlamp assembly. That's one. Now let's pull out the H4 halogen lamp. Okay, unlatch that. Pull out the dust cover of the bulb. Might as well remove this so that we can pull out the entire front bumper out. So I will now pull out the entire front bumper assembly. Okay, there we go. Disconnect this. Okay, so there's our front bumper. So now we can easily remove this right headlamp assembly. Just 1, 2, 3, and One here and one here. So we can now finally pull this out. Okay. Just wiggle. Okay. Almost there. Okay, so now again disconnect this twist. Disconnect this. Disconnect this as well. Wiring harness, that's that. And disconnect the H4 headlamp. So there's our headlamp assembly. Now I'll show you, okay? There's still plenty of water, see that? Inside this headlamp assembly now. If I'm not gonna take care of that, pretty much soon it's going to ruin this headlamp assembly. So I'll drain the water out. I'll wash this as best I can, and then I'll leave this under the sun to dry in that manner. That way evaporation water is gonna escape through these holes, okay? So I managed to reinstall the other one. I figured I might as well show you how to install this one. So just reconnect or reinstall all the lights, signal light. Just be mindful of the tabs. There's this big tab and the tab. Okay. This one, push that in. And this is for our park lights. Twist. That's that. Reconnect the wiring harness. Push that tab in. There you go. Line that up there. Okay. This one is lined up. This one is lined up. And that's that. So before I'll put the screws back on, let's first check, reconnect our battery temporarily. Let's first check if both signal lights are working. And it's working here. It's working on the other side. Turn that off. Let's check park lights. And it's lighting up here. It's lighting up there. So let's check our headlights. So it's working, high beam. Okay. High beam is working. Low beam is working as well. So I'll put the screws back on and then the front bumper. Gonna clip this push-in plug here. Same here. Here. There too. So anyway, as you can see, it's all reinstalled now. No more water inside our headlamp. Okay, this is before, as you can see, and this is after. So anyway, as you can see, all the lights are working. So anyway, I do believe that's it. That's all that there is to show for this video. So I do believe I'm gonna end it here. This is again another less problem to worry about. Getting closer and closer to fixing all the issues. So I hope you found this video helpful, informative, enjoyable. Even if you do, let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, say hello to my cat. Okay, if you're new to my channel, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.